Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks, and in today's video we are going to discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and I'm going to give you one stock for buy and stock for sell for tomorrow's trading session, that is January 30th friends, Monday. Coming to our previous video where we gave ONGC for a buy, you can see this is where we gave for a buy. It straight fell down, hit the stop loss and fell further down. The reason for that was simple friends. Nifty, Bank Nifty crashed. 3000 points downward rally happened in last 2 days. Whichever stock was at a little good price, people literally sold it, and that's what happened here. And ONGC fell. Coming to our sell stock, which was Tata Consumer, yes, very good profit here. We could see it falling continuously. This was our ultimate target, and it went far below this and again came back. Coming to the view now, simple. You see this, we have shown a similar thing here in the last video for which it was going to fall. I told you that if this fall in Nifty, Bank Nifty would have not happened, it would have created a head and shoulder pattern, then fell, and that's where we are catching it now for a fall, and that's exactly how it worked, friends. Now, point that is important here is, friends, see, if you have created buy positions in ONGC, if you have stayed for the entire rally, that is purely a mistake. Okay, it is purely a mistake. Reason is you should run with a very good risk to reward ratio. If you are taking a risk of 2 rupees downside, you should be at least expecting 3 or 4 rupees. So when you are gaining money, you should be gaining more. If you are losing, you should be losing less. If you are not running with a good risk to reward ratio, you will not be successful in the market, friends. Coming to the performance video that is posted just before this one, you have seen that 6 out of 8 stocks or trades performed very well with a very good risk to reward ratio. Now, if this is where you have made loss, that is pure because of risk to reward ratio only. Okay. And just a disclaimer, your profits and your losses are yours, friends. They are not mine. Okay. Be very careful of that. Ensure that your risk to reward ratio is always positive. Now, I give you one stock for buy and one stock for sell, not just to buy or sell that stock by closing your eyes. What's important is, my intention here is to teach you how to read the charts, and that is the reason I give you all the reasons as to why we are selling at this level and why we are planning to buy at these levels. The reason was simple, because it performed when Nifty, Bank Nifty was not able to perform, but then once in a while they go against us as well. It's part of the game, and if you are not accepting that, you should not be trading. You have to exit when you are in when your SL is hit, friends. Be very careful of that. And point number 3 is, when I give you complete analysis of any video, say for example, today's buy stock is ITC and sell stock is Bajajfinserv. Simple, done. I can stop there, but I'll give you the entire reason for why I am considering it for a buy. That is because my intention is not giving these stocks for a buy or a sell. My intention is clear. Help you learn how to read charts on a live market. That is a simple reason. And the final point that I wanted to discuss is, options in last few days did not double as expected. That's right, friends. That happens only on expiry days. On normal days, it doesn't happen. Say for example, our options which we gave doubled on Wednesday and Thursday. That was because Tuesday and Wednesday, I'm sorry. That is because it was an expiry. During that time when there is a momentum, the double money become double. But now the expiry is very far. February expiry is somewhere here. So options will not double so soon. Coming to the analysis for now, friends. Nifty first. Nifty has gone straight down, friends. Okay. This is the kind of rally that it has given. Now, it is at a confusion zone. Note this point. It says a confusion. It is at a confusion zone. Reason is, see, if I am drawing a Fibo here, now after this big rally from 8,300 to 18,300 to 17,500, which is like good 800 points downward rally. Will it straight go up till here? The answer is no, it cannot do that. But from here, will we continue to fall? There is no major such news in the market, friends, which tells that it is going to fall. But still, the trend has become negative. So we can still be on a sell side. Now, what do we see on the market when we are looking from Fibo? This area, friends, see, this is an area where it has rejected multiple times and gone up. Now it has finally broken that area. I will draw that area just for convenience. See, this zone, this particular zone. Okay, so now this would be the best place for us to sell. How? Once it comes here, this support will act like a resistance. This is a basic principle of support resistance. Whenever there is a support zone that is broken, it will act like a resistance zone. So if you notice Nifty coming up like this, okay, you will be looking for resistances here, which is your 23.6 levels. Here, best place where you can short is here, friends. Will this come in one day? Probably not. We might see 1-2 swings like this, then a swing like this, then a swing like this, where we can definitely short. But can we wait for that long? We are talking about tomorrow. So these are the levels where we can easily create short positions, friends. So as soon as it comes at this particular level, 17,850, you will go ahead and short. The answer is no. That's not how we trade. We would look at some kind of reversal pattern at this particular area. Probably you will see a doji candle, okay, with long wick like this, or at this area you will see some kind of angle like this, or you see a M kind of pattern. That is when at the breakdown of this pattern is what you will go ahead and short, and keep a small stop loss somewhere here, and at least 1:1.5 or 1.2 as your target. If you are shorting it somewhere probably here at this breakdown, this is your stop loss, and 1:1.5 is your target. So that is how one should be trading, friends. So this is how we would work on Nifty. How to create buy positions here? Just in case there is some kind of reversal patterns at this area, okay, which is the bottom that it has made as of now. So it starts coming here, and you see a double bottom pattern which has been breaking, and you draw a simple trend line here, and it crosses the trend line, and you go ahead and buy at the retest. So that is when we can again plan this as your stop loss, and 1:2 or 1:3 as your target, friends. That's how we would be working on Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty, case is similar, but if you notice from the top to bottom, if I am drawing a Fibo, see here the support zone, or now the resistance zone, is somewhere here, friends. Okay, and this is your 61.8 level. This is your golden level from where the chances of turning is the highest. Okay, so when it is at the golden ratio, which is so far, can we wait for so long and then create a short position? Probably not, friends. Just because there is a very good place, we would not wait so long. For this, what we'll do is we will go ahead and create another Fibo here, a smaller one from here to here. So even at these levels is what you can create short positions. First level is at this area right here. If you see any negativity, you can create short. Second level and final place we can create shorts is here. From here till here, there is no place where we can create short, friends. So these are the places where we can create shorts. How to create long? We can go ahead and wait for a double bottom kind of pattern somewhere in this range. If you see a stock coming here from probably like this and creating a upward momentum, so that is when we can keep this as your stop loss and create 1:2 target for a upward momentum at this breakout, and followed by a retest probably. That's how we would be creating long positions in Bank Nifty. But overall view for both Nifty and Bank Nifty is bearish or downwards for tomorrow, friends. Coming to the stock for the day. Okay, the buy stock that we have chosen is, as you know, LTC. Reasons I have drawn it here. See, friends, it started its journey from where here till here, and unlike our ONGC, from here it straight fell down. this particular ITC sustained that levels. Okay, it took its rejection exactly at 38.2 level and attempted to go up. Again fell down at the same level. It took its support again and again attempted to go up. So those of us who are interested or aggressive can go ahead and buy here immediately at this level as soon as it opens, or one can wait for this retracement level. Again, this is where you can create buy position, and if you see a breakout, clear breakout above this particular trend line, then we can wait for a small retracement like this and create buy positions. In this case, our target will be here when we are buying it here with a small stop loss somewhere here. In this case, our target will be the top, friends. Okay, somewhere here, probably here. And our stop loss would be here. We cannot give this big stop loss in this case. I hope you understood the logic behind buy on ITC. Reason number 1 is uptrend. Reason number 2 is 38.2 rejection. Reason number 3 would be your trend line breakout. Few more things, friends. If I delete all this, I'll draw something here. Okay, this is your pole, followed by this is your flag. So this is also a clear example of a pole and flag pattern. As soon as there is a breakout, what would be the target? The target would be this much. So where is it meeting? It is around 355. Are we going to wait for such a target in one day? The answer is no. This is a theoretical target or a bookish target that I am telling you. This is just knowledge. We would go ahead and wait till here, probably little higher, and take exits in one day. Okay, coming to the sell stock, which is Bajajfinserv, friends. You can see that has been in selling trend since quite some time, and it made a kind of a double top pattern and started falling, friends. Now what happened is, this was the breakdown, it fell straight down. Again we are drawing our favorite friend, which is Fibo, from the top to the bottom. Okay, and we are facing rejection at little above 38.2. 50% is the best place to sell. Why? Because we also see a rejection zone here. This support from where it went up twice is now acting like a resistance. Okay, so we can create sell positions here, best place. Or if you see it going down from here itself, we'll create a small trend line here, friends. How would that trend line look? Like this. Okay, something like this. And if you see a candle closing below this trend line, okay, we will go ahead and create short position for target 1 straight till here, target 2 this bottom. What will be the stop loss in this case? Above this particular swing high. Okay, so you can see it is still more than 1:1.5 or 1:2, friends. This is how we would create sell position in Bajajfinserv. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit that like button, and thanks for watching. And if you are liking the video, also share it with your friends, family members, basically anyone who is looking forward to learn to trade and make money from Indian stocks, friends. Thanks for watching. Wish you a profitable tomorrow.